Hi friends, welcome back to Baran Creations. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll show you how to make embroidery pistil stitch, which is one among the basic stitches. So let's get started. As usual, I have taken 6 strands of thread, and one side of the thread is as it is, and on the other side I have put a knot. Draw few small lines and let's start. First insert the needle from below, then pull it up, then hold the thread like this and take the other side of the thread, this one, and start rolling it. Don't roll it too tightly. Then insert it down on the point where the line is ending. So here, now let's do it once more. Insert the needle from below, then take the other side of thread and start rolling it. Don't roll it tightly or else it will form a knot. Then insert it down on the point where the line is ending. Like this. Insert the needle from below, hold the thread like this, then start rolling it. Then insert it down on the point where the line is ending. Then pull it down like this. So I hope this stitch is clear. Then put a knot down and lock it. So friends, the pistil stitch is ready. Try this out and let me know how was the experience in the comment box below, and I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, hit thumbs up, like, share, comment, and please subscribe to our channel Baran Creations for more videos, and let us reach 10k subscribers soon. Thanks for watching once again. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.